Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trust wallet use step by step. Open Trust Wallet and tap Create New Wallet. Then write down your 12-word recovery phrase carefully and store it offline. Next, enable a passcode and biometrics for everyday protection. Finally, explore the main tabs, Wallet, Browser, and Settings to familiarize yourself with balances, token management, and safety features before sending any funds. Open the Tokens tab and add assets by searching or entering a token contract address you trust. Use the built-in swap to exchange tokens, watching price impact and network fees carefully to avoid surprises. Always confirm contract addresses from reliable sources to avoid scam tokens. Consider adding custom tokens manually only when you have verified details, and keep small test amounts when interacting with unfamiliar tokens or dApps. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear crypto tutorials. Quick recommendation: books read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It makes following guides and references comfortable on the go. Check the description for the product link and other deals to support the channel and find helpful resources. Thank you for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When receiving, share your address or QR code and double-check network compatibility like ETH or BSC to avoid lost funds. When sending, paste and verify the recipient address, set the right network, review the amount, and check the fee before confirming. For new recipients, always send a small test amount first to be sure everything works. Keep records of transaction ID for tracking and dispute resolution if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.